Whoa, what is that?
Oh, well, this is our new design, a flying car.
How fast does that go?
Well, if you were travelling from Melbourne to Sydney, it will take 878 kilometres. If you were travelling at 100 kilometres per hour, it will take 8 hours and 45 minutes.
But how does that work?
Well, because 100 fits into 800 is about 8 times, which is 8 hours. And then 78 is about 3/4 of 100, which is 45 minutes. So that means it takes 8 hours and 45 minutes. And because a flying car can go at the speed of 200 kilometres per hour, it is going to take half the time of that. So that means it will take about 4 hours and 20 minutes.
This really makes everything possible. Flying cars and even rocket ships.
Rocket ships? Did you know it takes 3 days to get to the moon?
3 days?
Yeah, which is 240,000 miles.
Wait, how many kilometres is that?
Well, 1 mile is equal to 1.60934 of a kilometre. So you would have to times 240,000 times 1.60934. Now, on to Mia.
240,000 times 1.60934. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16, so put the 6 down there and put the 1 up the top. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then you add 1 0 at the bottom. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16, put the 6 down there and the 1 up the top. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then you add 2 zeros. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12, put the 2 down there, put the 1 up the top. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then you put 3 zeros. 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 0 is 0, and 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 4 is 36. So you put the 6 down there, and then you put the 3 up the top. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21. Then you put 4 zeros. And then 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, and then it's just all 0. And then put 5 zeros. 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, and 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24, so you put the 4 down there and the 2 up the top. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Then you put 6 zeros. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 2 is 2. And then you add them all together. All of those zeros equals 0, all of those zeros equals 0, all of those zeros equals 0, and all of those zeros equals 0. 6 plus 0 is 6, 9 plus 6 is 15, plus all those zeros is still 15, so you put the 5 and carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. And then you add the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, so you put the 4 there, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, add the zeros. And then 2 plus 4 is 6. And then 8 and 3. Because there's 6 places after the decimal point, you put it behind the 2. So it takes 386,242.56 kilometres to get to the moon.
Maths makes everything possible.